Hey, amazing viewers. Welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials, the go-to place for unlocking the potential of AI in your projects. Today, I've got something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you've ever dreamt of creating your own autonomous AI agents and unleashing the power of large language models, you're in for a treat. Stick around because, in just 2 minutes, I'll introduce you to a groundbreaking platform that's changing the game. Today, our spotlight is on NexusGPT 1.0, the first platform that lets you build autonomous AI agents for any large language model in just 2 minutes. This is a game changer, folks. Whether you're into customer service, marketing, or boosting your personal productivity, NexusGPT is your ticket to creating custom AI assistants that work seamlessly with your favorite language models. If you're new here, I'm Manuel, your guide through the vast universe of AI. Make sure you're subscribed to AutoGPT Tutorials, where we simplify complex AI concepts and bring you the latest tools and projects. Hit that subscribe button now and join our growing community of AI enthusiasts. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Now, let's explore NexusGPT in detail. This platform is a game changer for anyone looking to harness the power of large language models in a way that's accessible and incredibly user-friendly. One of the standout features of NexusGPT is its ability to empower you to create custom AI assistants tailored to your needs. The platform provides an intuitive interface and powerful tools to fine-tune assistants for various purposes. Whether it's enhancing customer service, streamlining marketing tasks, or boosting personal productivity, NexusGPT has you covered. But that's not all. NexusGPT goes above and beyond by offering a vibrant marketplace. Imagine having a variety of pre-made AI assistants, specialized tasks, and innovative tools at your fingertips. Need an assistant to schedule appointments or book flights? The marketplace has you covered. And guess what? You can also showcase your skills by selling your own creations on the marketplace. It's a win-win for creativity and functionality. Now, let's address a crucial aspect: data privacy and security. NexusGPT takes these matters seriously. Your data is not just safe, it's fortified. All user data is encrypted at rest and in transit, and NexusGPT is fully committed to complying with GDPR and other data privacy regulations. Your peace of mind matters. Excited to see NexusGPT in action? In just a moment, I'll walk you through a demo created by the talented Assem. Let's see.
So now on the new version of Nexus, you can not only create your own custom agent, but you can also connect a specific custom model to that agent. Let me show you how it looks. So basically, what you can do right here is you can just specify who you are and what you want as an agent. And the agent builder will figure out what you want to do and come up with specific tasks on the go for that specific agent. So here in that example, I'm a family practitioner and I need someone to help me with diagnostic. And here it's like, okay, the first act is brainstorming diagnostic ID. What would be the input? What would be the output? Now, second is pathology. And I can just continue chatting with that agent, or I can say, okay, figure it all out. Also add 2 more tasks, one being treatment suggestion, and the other linked to prescription writing. Let's call the doctor Sean Murphy. And just like this, it will figure out everything else because I don't want to keep chatting on, and it will just create the agent right away. And just like this, in about a minute, it created my agent with a custom-made profile picture, and the agent is Sean Murphy with all the tasks I asked for. And I can just right away go with him and start chatting if I want to. Or another thing I can do is, let's say that I don't want to use OpenAI, I can host a custom model or connect to an external provider directly from Nexus. So let's say I want to host my own model, which is the hardest thing to do. I can just click on host your own model, and then I can select the specific model I want to host directly on Nexus. And by the way, all the models are hostable on Nexus. And I can say this model is active between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m., which is my working hours. And just like this, I can just deploy my model, which is MedLlama 2, specifically made for medical doctors. And I can just go back to my agent, go on Sean Murphy, go on the skills, and let's say that I want brainstorming diagnostic ID to be connected to that new model. I can just select the model right here and update the skill. And just like this, I have my agent connected to my model. And I can just start chatting with him right away. So let's say I come up with a medical issue. I say I have a patient, 30-year-old male. Here are the symptoms. Please help me come up with a diagnostic and then with a prescription. And as you can see right here, it said that the task is a bit too complex to be as one task. So it came up with a plan that needs to be executed. And the plan is first brainstorming diagnostic and the ID, and then treatment suggestion. And I can just validate that right away. And what it will do is that it will then just execute the plan as I asked for. And the first task will be connected to MedLama 2, while the second task will be connected by default to GPT-4. And as you can see right here, it starts writing and it starts coming up with potential diagnostic for my specific symptoms. And once it's done with these diagnostic, it will start suggesting treatment. And here, like for example, tuberculosis, in that case, it will come up with a treatment suggestion and a treatment plan. And just like this, as you can see, in under 5 minutes, I created my own custom agent, connected and hosted a custom open source large language model to that agent and connected it to a specific task and asked that agent to perform a complex task that required planning in AutoGPT. And just like that, as I'm done, I can also just download the outcome as a PDF or as a Word document or whatever, download that and just start visualizing the outcome and start sharing that outcome. I can just click on that generated PDF, and here it is. I have my treatment option for the issue I just figured out, which is chronic tuberculosis with HIV, which is the case of that patient. Here it is. It's free to test. I give $2 for everyone who sign up. You can test it right away, start connecting your own large language model to it and host it on Nexus. And that's it. Figure it out.
And there you have it, folks. The incredible world of NexusGPT unveiled. We've explored how this platform puts the power of AI into your hands, allowing you to craft custom assistants and tap into a marketplace full of possibilities. If you're as fascinated by NexusGPT as I am, make sure to stay connected. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Don't miss out on more tutorials, demos, and the latest updates from the world of AutoGPT tutorials. Now, before we say our goodbyes, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on NexusGPT? Are there specific features you're eager to explore or create? Share your opinions in the comments below. Your insights could spark the next tutorial. Until next time, happy creating with NexusGPT, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.